Every day in the USA, people find themselves in court.
Let's go. Okay. Say it again. What's the name?
Contreras Jonathan.
Contreras, that's right. On the 661. Okay. Mr. Contreras, you're charged with two cases. You're charged with interference with the duties of a public servant, which I think is the one that's getting dismissed. In exchange for your plea on the reckless driving, you're facing up to 30 days in jail and or a $500 fine. You've worked out an agreement where they're offering you 3 days with 2 days credit. This will go now on your record. You are now facing a minimum of 30 days in jail if you ever pick up another case. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Let me make one more thing abundantly clear to you. To those people who act like a schlemiel in a car, the Texas legislature has made it extremely easy for them to take your car and seize it from you permanently. If you are caught racing, reckless driving, donuts, this type of act or street takeovers, I'm telling you, because we had a guy here last week on his second case, they took and they seized his car. This is now your first reckless driving. You pick up another one of these cases, it's very well possible that they take your car from you permanently. Do you understand? You are giving up the right to a trial, right to compel witnesses to testify on your behalf, confront and cross-examine your accusers. If you're not a citizen, there are possible immigration consequences. You can be deported, excluded from the country, denied naturalization. You give up the right to appeal. So once you plead guilty to something, you can never change this. You will be stuck with this for the rest of your life. How do you plead to this offense? I'm extremely serious that I couldn't believe it myself when they came in here and he told me that they seized his car. I couldn't believe it, but they're doing it. So be very careful. The next time you race, you may lose it permanently. Good luck, guys. Thanks. I'll roll you. I'll roll it. Don't worry.
Thank you.
Okay, Mr. Davis. Thanks, guys.
Make sure you go down to the suite. I'm here giving this, otherwise you'll.
Okay, hey, hey, you ready?
For Angel Pena in custody.
Okay,
This was the,
you don't have to remind me. I remember, Mr. Payne.
so it is a marijuana gun case, so we don't have labs yet. He's telling me that, my client's telling me that all of his GPS violations.
I'm not letting him out.
Okay,
We've had a lot of history with this guy. We've had a lot of issues, and I know that if I let him out, it's just gonna continue. So he's gonna have to pony up the money, but I don't trust him. I don't. We've given him way too many chances. It's now his fourth case.
okay. Just, can I say that he says that he would even be willing to do a 24-hour house arrest?
Can you bring him out, please? Give me a second, I'll talk to him.
Yes, sir, I appreciate it.
Tell me, come on up. Mr. Pena, come on up. How's jail? You don't get it though. You don't get it. Like some people they just don't get it. We gave you a chance. We've given you so many chances. You violated our bond at least 6 times on your first gun case. You pled 5 times you violated the first time. You picked up another case, a weed case, got rid of that case. Then you picked up another gun case. And when you picked up that third case, the gun case, you violated bond 7 times. That means I let you out at least 6 times and you violated conditions. And now you picked up a 4th case, and within 2 weeks of you getting out, you violate conditions, and you want me to let you out? Cute. What do you think I should say?
I later said, I didn't know it was in my parking lot. Like, I didn't know I couldn't go to my parking lot. Like, if not, I wouldn't have went outside at all. Like, that address, if you search it up, it's literally my parking lot. I didn't know I couldn't be in my parking lot. Like, I'm willing to do 24/7 house arrest, sir, to prove to you, like, I'm trying to do good for real.
I don't believe you.
Like I was really in my
If
parking.
history is any indication, if I let you out in another 3 weeks, you'll be up here again with more violations. And Mr. Pena, you're way too much drama for me. I'm not going to do that again. I've learned my lesson. Fool me once, shame on you. Fool me 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Fool me 12 times, shame on me. I'm sorry, Connor. It ain't going to happen. Bye. Let's set it off a week, and then we'll see in a week. Okay? I'm not going to keep him forever, but I want him to stew for a while to really get it. And then in a week, but don't tell him, please. I want him to have the fear of not knowing when he's going to get out, because that's really sucks, you know? Okay, so a week. A week on payment.